Hey y'all, it's the Rowdy Ratchets again. Like, well, blah, blah. Okay, so we made that video for y'all the first time, and like, some boys, I'm not even finna put y'all on blast. Like, y'all was like, we can't dance and whatnot. Like, scoot over, like, my mirror dirty. Like, I'm a ratchet, so thank you, boo boo.
You're welcome, honey babe.
Anyways, it was like, we can't dance and whatnot. Like, we don't know what we're doing our songs and like, quit smacking your gum all in my ear. Thank you. Ugh, it's ghetto. Like,
girl, you the number one ratchet.
you have no class, but look what you're wearing.
I just got your baby. Don't play with me. Don't fret. Don't get involved.
Girl, look at your feet. Like,
Don't get embarrassed. Look at your socks with your holy ass, okay?
I know dang well you did not just cuss at
Okay,
me.
be quiet. We got church in the morning. Come on.
Anyway, y'all fools said that we can dance or something. Like, I don't appreciate that. Like, I'm not no ratchet. Like,
Okay, but
look at this.
Maybe she is.
This is fresh. Like, what are you wearing? Like, I step out in public like this like all the time. Like, you sound stupid. Like,
Okay, girl, come on.
anyway, I'm not even finna argue with her today, cause no, So, where's my phone at? Okay, we about to dance to Big Sean Booty. I can't say that word cause I'm a Christian. I need to go to church.
Praise the Lord.
Don't add on to me, all right? Tell Dr. Nisha I don't need it, not today.
Don't.
Oh, well, what then?
Come on.
What?
Okay.
All right. Don't have me call what?
Don't have me calling Sean.
Call my what? My best friend over here. She bring all 30 of them. We jump on that. What?
Okay, then shut up. Yeah.
We need to guide this hatred toward them boys that said we couldn't dance.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, that's what we about to do. You ready?
I gotta get up.
So get up, girl. You lazy and everything.
I'll make that motherfucker hammer sound like.
So, girl, I see you. Nuh-uh, girl, not that.
Stacking my paper, my wallet look like a Bible. I got girlies half naked, that shit look like the grotto. How your waist anorexic and in your ass coat.
Get it, girl.
Drop that ass, make it boom already.
Dance for real, right? One time.
Bitch, I'm booty tank, how did we pay?
We about to cut the video, girl.
Fuck that, you gon' get some dick. I walk in with my crew and I'm breaking their necks.
All right, girl, that's enough, girl. No, that's enough. That's, nuh-uh, we trying to keep this PG, I Sasha. All right, here we go.
Couldn't get Michael Kors if you was fucking Michael Kors. Big sound. Boy, how big is yo? Give me all your money and give me all your residual. Slap it on my ass.
Now, you're not ready for that, because you feel like an dance, remember? Anybody. Hey. We can still go. Nah, we ain't got to prove nothing to nobody, girl. I think we done all that we can. Quit dancing. Just like the ratchet. I apologize. I apologize. Right? She's rapping me. All right. Ratchet City. We be at all the functions. Book us. 555-111-222-4. If y'all need us, we dig the fools with no swag. Hit us up. You already know. You ain't got no swag. Contact us. You know? We be at all the turn down parties. All the parties with no swag. We be there.
Yeah, buddy.
Working everybody just like this.
Meatball power.
Ratchet power.
Ratchet power.
Don't be a ratchet. If you a ratchet, no. Because this is fresh. This ain't ratchet. But we are the Rowdy Ratchets. Bye.
Boo.